Now what I got here is a Dinky Ford Capri, the 143 type. There is only one really. And I've given it a quick wire brush. But I don't really want to take out the rivets. I want to keep it original for the fun of it. And I've decided the windows are really kind of like dull. So I'm taking this polish, turtle polish, which is a polishing compound, putting a brush in it. It's a light compound, and brushing the windows. This will get rid of the dull look on them and bring them back to kind of a little bit of a shine. I'll do this for a while and I'll show you the results. See if it works at all. I think it'll work. I've tried it before on a window. I have a little problem in there, it doesn't look too good. I'm going to have to live with it, I think. I'll just keep doing this and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so the windows cleaned up pretty well. They have a little haze on them, but they look pretty good considering what they did look like. So, you know, I'm just going to carry on and tape off the plate here and the wheels and the windows and undercoat it. But, you know, you can use toothpaste and get a little bit better shine, or something a little bit less abrasive than the compound. But, you know, now I can leave the base plates on, give it a respray, keep it a little bit more original, although it is going to be red and white because it's going to represent my mother's Capri she had when she was in Ireland. So after all my effort to save the window and polish it, I was masking the windows off on the car, and I pressed in underneath to try to get the tape in, and the back window cracked. So basically I'd take all the rivets out of the car and carry on the old way, and basically I've undercoated it at this stage. So, you know, sometimes it just doesn't go the way you want it to. That's life. I'm going to paint it red with the white top like my mother's car used to be. I'll get a picture of it.